What's up, guys? Viper FPV here, and today we have our August 2020 quad box. It's finally here. Yay! So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this box, see what we got this month, and I'll give you guys my thoughts of exactly what I think. So if you don't already know what this is, it's an FPV subscription box, quad box, and also FPV crate do these. Pretty much you get some random parts every month. Not random, but they do have a boost, a big item, and then they have some smaller items like a shirt or whatnot. I actually really like them because I like to get a surprise every month, and I like to stock up on parts because I'm always crashing and always breaking stuff. So let's go ahead and unbox this month's box and see exactly what we got. All right. So it looks like, I'll start right off with the shirt this time since it's right on top. It's a red battery looking shirt. Okay. Not the best shirt. I wish that this had a quad on it. I think I would be a lot happier with it, but that is the shirt for this month. People will be like, what is that, batteries? Yeah, exactly. But that's the shirt we got. And then for props, looks like we got some Nepal N1 blue props. We got blue and some gray and some red. So 3 sets of those. Cool. I haven't tried these props. I don't think I've ever tried these props, so I'm not really sure how they do. And then also we got, oh, this is cool. This is a goggle strap. Nice. I have an ethics strap, I think, right now, but this one is actually really, really nice, too. I wonder if this is for DJI or if this is just for analog. I actually don't know. Maybe if it's both. Who knows? Cool. Like it. And then we got some stickers here. Zen FPV. I love FPV. My heart bleeds for FPV. All right. Neat. And then it looks like this is what we got for the, I guess the boost, you can call it, the big item. It will be a HGLRC forward VTX. So it's a 20x20. This must go with the stack that they sent a few months ago, because I'm surprised they're even really giving out 20x20 stuff since this is a 5-inch box. But if you're building maybe like a race quad or I guess a lightweight freestyle quad, I guess a 20x20 would be okay. Let me take it out and see what it looks like. Always curious what these look like. You can kind of get the idea of quality. All right, that's actually not a bad looking VTX. Looks pretty good. Kind of hard to see, but it goes right onto your stack, a 20x20. It does have smart audio. Goes up to 600 milliwatts. So yeah, it has pit mode as well. So nice little VTX, real lightweight one. And then they also come with these little coupons. If you guys want to use my code for 15% off some height train motors, go ahead and go for it. But that is pretty much it for the August 2020 FPV crate. No, FPV crate. This is quad box. It's quad box. Yep. And so that was this month's box. I appreciate you guys watching, and if you don't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.